are live. Welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. Today is November 3rd, 2022. If you're new to this channel, we stream live ES and MES live trades, usually Monday to Friday. If you follow any of my trades, you're doing so at your own risk. We're not liable for any losses or damages. All right, we're a little late here to the game. Had some internet issues, but we are live. All right. Get the disclaimer out of the way. Haven't really looked at the market at all, so I've really no idea what's going on. Internet finally came on, so just trying to figure out what's going on here. Looks pretty choppy so far. All right, looks like market may want to break IB. Hate to take a trade so quick, but there may be an opportunity already. Good morning. All right, let's see what's going on. Yeah, had some internet issues. Actually, the whole neighborhood, there was a internet outage for the area. I've had internet for the past 12 hours maybe. Yeah, I think it started yesterday at 3 p.m. So you're welcome. Thank you. All right, let me start looking at the charts here. Let's see what's going on. So market failed to keep going after it broke IB. It looked like unemployment. Oh, excuse me, I gotta sneeze. I'm just trying to figure out how unemployment affected the market, or if it did or if it didn't. Yeah. I have no idea what's going on. Bank rate increase, PMI 54. I didn't talk about unemployment here much. All right. Good morning. Let's make some money. Let's see what's going on. One, two. Here comes the buyers. I don't know about going long yet. May have to look for some outside in. Let's see how it deals with 44. Might be a short opportunity here. All right, I'm gonna take a quick short. Lean back on. It didn't fill me. All right. Not gonna chase it. I missed it. Wow. Look at that. All right. I'm not gonna chase it. Looks like I missed it. But it looks like it wants to go to at least 33. Yep, I missed it. Oh, that was quick. I don't know if this is a stop pick or not. Yeah, this could have been another entry, but I'm not sure yet. It should have kept going. It didn't go. So I'm not sure if it's going to go to 33. Maybe it was a blessing that it didn't fill me. All right, I'm going to wait a little bit. Yeah. We're positive on the delta. Yeah, market doesn't know what to do. Doesn't know if he wants to go and test at 33 or keep. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out, but it could still want to test the 33. So it was a short from here. It's where I wanted to get in all the way down to 33. Just a quick scalp. So I'm gonna let it do its thing, and I'm out. But All right, so we still have an open gap. So 67 to 54. There's a gap. 67. It looks like it tried to close all the way and it bounced. All right, I'll leave that gap open. See if it wants to still close that. All right. All right, so we hit top of that 33. Let's see how it reacts here. We may have a long back up to maybe close that gap, but I wouldn't take it yet. Low sound. Good morning, everyone. Bon dia. You guys don't know, I had well, me know the whole 2 or 3 neighborhoods around here had internet issues since yesterday 3 p.m. So just logging in right now. I have no idea what the market is doing. How's the sound? Is it better now? Sound check. Still low? Sound check, sound check. Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Sound check, sound check. All right, here we go. Guess I think I missed that long. I was doing the sound check, but yeah. So could have been a little long out of here. It looks like it moved, but wasn't paying attention. All right. Yeah, that was the long. Bummer. Yeah, kind of tired. I overslept now. Oh. Yeah, I got up at 5 a.m. No internet. I say, you know what? Forget about it. Let's go back to sleep. So I'm still a little groggy here. Looks like it's trying to fill in volume. It looks like it still has a little after effects of yesterday's FOMC. All right, something is going to happen now. Is it going to go and retest 33 or we're going to explode out of here? So, I'm not sure yet, but it seems like something is going to happen. It's going to make a decision to either go back to 26 or we're going to visit 50. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to take a blind trade, but there's a big chance that we may go all the way down to 26. But it has to go and pass 33. So the obstacle is right here. If it could pass that. So I'm going to stay out. Still trying to get into the flow of the market. But something is going to happen right now. Yeah, I need to get a little more into the flow here. Yeah, if it breaks 34 and a quarter, there's a possibility of visiting 26, 27. All right, here comes the sellers. I'm gonna stay out, but there's the possibility of a 14-point trade. I'm still not in my mojo, so I'm gonna stay out, but there's a big possibility of a 14, 10, 14, 10 to 14-point trade. But this is the tug of war line right there. Let's see how it reacts here. Hidden order. So there was a buy, now it's a sell. It's a little battle going on right here. Yeah, this is the point. It's trying to pass that 34 and a quarter. They're trying to block it. Now, if it can't pass, then we're going to see an ABC up. And it might try to close the gap, and it may want to go all the way up to 67. Yeah, so that was it. It's having a hard time. So I think the short was blocked. As I said it, if he can't pass it, it's not going. And now we're back up. Now on the upside, it will need to pass 43 and a quarter. If it could pass 43 and a quarter, then yeah, This is why I'm staying out. It looks like it's having a battle. And I'm not interested in getting caught up in the chop of my first trade. Yep. Little so lower highs, but now we're starting to also see higher lows. So it's trying to break that 33 again. These guys are tricky. I don't know if you guys saw the trade that I took yesterday. Oh my God. It was so nerve-wracking. I waited an hour to take the trade. And every time it bounced, I thought it was going to come and take me out. Every time it went long, they just pounced those buyers. Every time it looked like it was going to keep going. Boom. Yeah. I got in at the right time. Could have had another 10 points, but there's no way I was going to stay in it for another 10 points. All right, here we go. Looks like it's breaking that 34, so that short is still alive. Go short from 41, either 40 or 41, all the way down to 26. But it could still bounce out of here. Not clear yet. If we see a 32, it's going. You see a 32. I'm going to take a long. I'm going to keep it really tight. Really tight. Oh, my replicato is not on. All right. Risking $62. Seems like it's holding. But that 26 is hot. So this is a high risk trade. Market is negative. But I think I was wrong. All right. Yeah. So it is a solid short. All right. I took a chance. $68 negative. For a split second, it looked like it was a stop pick. A split second. A lot of interest at 29, 170 orders. Oh, yeah, it was a solid. Yep. Here we are. A nice little short. All right, so it hit 27.50. Or at least I'm happy that I got this right, but I didn't take it. But yeah, it was showing signs that wanted to come down. But for a split second, it just looked like it was a stop pick right there, and it fooled me. It looked like it was gonna launch Elon style. All right, glad I was only a 3-lot MES. All right, I need to turn my Replikanto on. Replikanto. All right, here we go. All right, is it gonna keep going, or are we done here? So interest is growing at 20. Next target would be 20. If it could break this, if it could break through 26, it will go to 20. So this may be another entry. I'm out, but if it keeps going, anywhere between 20 to 21 would be the next target. Let's see how the low looks. Ooh, the low looks a little weak. The low looks a little weak. Now, if it can't hold this, this could be the next entry down. I'm staying out of it, but this could be the start of the next extension. And then 34 would be the resistance. Not a recommendation. I wouldn't go short here, but it could be half a rotation up. But I wouldn't initiate a short here. Nah, yeah. Pull back. All right, so I went straight down to, what is that? 26.75. All right, decision point. If it breaks this, it may want to test 44. So it needs to find sellers here to extend down to 20. Otherwise, that was it. Ah, look at that. Hot knife right through. That could be the sign. But there's still a lot of resistance up here. Open order waiting at 28.50. Yeah, should have had a little more resistance at 31. So that's opening price. So it should have had a little more resistance. It went right through. So that could be a sign that the shorts are done. But we still need to take into consideration that the market is negative. But delta is positive, even on the RTH. I mean, ETH. So if it could find buyers here, the short is done, and we may try to finish closing that gap. It's up to you to determine, but this could be a decision point. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on, buyers. Let's go. We got to break hot knife right through 44. Otherwise, this trade is dead. Otherwise, this trade is dead. I see any signs of selling, I'm going to lower my risk. It's struggling. Oh, freaking hidden order just appeared at 37.40. This may ruin the party. Needs to be a buy order. All right. I may get out of this trade. $150 already filled. It looks like it's going to be an iceberg. Still open. Little battle going on. It's trying to launch. They're trying to block it from getting filled. The hidden order. And they lowered it and they added. Oh, it was a All right, a 500 iceberg just hit, and that hidden order is still open. So what is this? Could be a launch. All right, let's see. Let's see if the one at 40 is a iceberg also. Yeah, they just snuck that iceberg in. Come on, come on. Yeah, all of these could be buying icebergs. All right, I'm going to raise this. I think it may want to close this gap. Just don't know if my stop is safe enough. Now they lowered the iceberg to 38.50. So they are trying to get filled. So it's not just sitting static there. They're trying to get it filled. So it could be a launch. Ah, my stop. So the iceberg moved. First it was, wow, they brought it all the way. Whoa. Right, they pulled the iceberg. They pulled it. But it seemed like it was from 50. Huh, that's interesting. All right, here we go, launch. Right. Gotta clear 45, hot knife, otherwise it's not gonna happen. All right, just hit a stop. 855. Come on. This could be another entry if you're not in. Not a recommendation because now we're at 45. So you have to deal with sellers coming in at 45. But if you're willing to risk, that could have been the other entry. The first entry was here. 35 was the true entry. I came in a little bit too late. All right, it's got a hot knife right through 45. Otherwise, the trade is over. Otherwise, it's going to find sellers and it's going to go and test that 21. Oh, here comes some selling. All right, I'm going to raise my risk a little bit more just in case the sellers come in. So risking 75 on the MES and 137 on the ES. Ah, here came sellers. Yep. They sold some, not a whole lot, but God, it looked like it was gonna hot knife right through. God, this trade may be over. It might have picked up enough momentum from retailers going short at 44. Right, I'm gonna add a little more risk here, but I think it's over. That looked pretty hot. Yeah, they just came in hot. Let's see if I can survive a stop pick here. See if we can get a stop pick. Yeah, that 44. God, it looked good for a second. But this is momentum, so this needs to turn it into a stop pick. Otherwise, this trade is gone. Yeah, if it can't find any buyers, it's going to go all the way down to 21. So I didn't call it as a short, but that was a tug of war line right there. That happened way too quick for a human to go short. Right, if it finds any support here, I'm gonna add another ES, another MES. But it looks like sellers came in hot. Yeah, so that could have been a sell iceberg, not a buy iceberg, and it just went to go and find more sellers. Give myself a little tiny more room here, but this trade is dead. Yep. All right, let's see if I can find support here at opening price. It's the last chance I have. So now I'm risking 362. Yeah, it's now or never. I think it's dead. Just trying to survive it now. Yeah, it could have been a sell iceberg, not a buy. So that might have been a responsive buy. Yeah, targeted downside is 21. 20, 21. Come on, buyers. Come on in. The water is fine. Come on, launch, launch, launch. This could be a beautiful ABC. ABC up or a wave 3 needs to launch. Yeah, if it could find, I'll give myself a little more room, because if this starts as a wave 2 or wave B, needs to end somewhere inside of this box. And that would be the A, B, and C up. Hidden order. Here comes the sellers. Oh, hidden order, another hit. Wow. Buyers are trying to buy, but they keep getting hit. Oh, launch. Launch. Here we go. We can see a 38 again. For a second, it looked like it was going to launch. Huh? I think it's going to launch. Go, go, go. Huh? They just put a roadblock and they pulled it. Interesting. They put 126 orders at 35.50 and they pulled it. So they're trying to spoof. Yeah, little battle going on right here. If the buyers could come in hot, it will exhaust the sellers and it will launch. I'm tempted to buy another 5 and another 1 right here. Got a lot going on here. Here comes the sellers. All right. Negative 400, negative 273. God, for a second it looked good. Yeah, they came in hot. It was probably a sell iceberg. God, for a second it looked like I was going to go right through 45. All right. God, I'll be pissed if it bounces off of opening price here and it takes... Oh, no. They're trying to buy again. I might have had a stupid stop. I might have gone stop picked. I'm going to try, oops. Let's see if the sellers come in again. All right, hidden order waiting at 28.50. All right, so this definitely looks like momentum. I'm just looking for the next leg down. Gonna add another. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not gonna be too greedy. Come on. Got a hot knife right through 29 and 30. Cannot find any buyers here. It does, it's dead. Oh, I did not like this move at all. That was not. Oh, wow. That was an immediate bounce off of 30.50. It immediately found buyers. All right. I'm going to take a break. Come on, stay alive. Wow, immediately found stop pick right there. All right, I'm going to try it again on the MES. Replikanto off. Let's see. Ooh, why is it a 9? Nope, took me out. Oh my God. All right. I'm going to take a break. I'm getting chopped up. Just get back all my profits from yesterday. Almost all. Negative 800 and 400. Wow. I got caught in the chop. This was a perfect stop pick right here. And that happened quick. And now this looks like a stop pick too. Yep, they're chopping it up. So it might still be that ABC up. And it just took me out. Wow, that sucks. That happened way too quick. Wow, that happened. That was a fast stop pick. They were just ready to just come in and pounce. Yep. It found no sellers here to keep going. Buyers just came in hot. Yeah, it happened less than 30 seconds. Wow, they got me good on that one. For a second, it looked like I was just going to, boom, keep going. All right. Yep. Marker makers are having a ball. Stop pick right there. Stop pick right here. All right, let's see if it can find sellers again here. Here comes some selling. They're trying to find enough momentum to break out of the 40-45. And here they come selling again. Yeah. So they're doing outside in between 30 and 40. So if they could break out of here, it's going to go all the way up to 70. And if they could hold it, it's going to go all the way down to 20. Now, which side is winning? Now I'm going to take one more short, and this is going to be my last trade. Let's see if they can finish this leg down. So momentum down. This could be responsive to this momentum. Double top here. Higher low. Keep going down. We are at the top of the value area. Outside in. But it has to go through opening price. And that seems what the issue is going through opening price. But market is negative. The only thing that's showing the upside is Delta. That is the only thing. All right, so I have to lean behind 44. And as soon as I see it starting to fail, I'm going to see about adding up. Here they come. I'm going to see about adding another 5, another ES. So outside in. The top looks, ooh, take me out again. God, these guys are pissing me off. The high looks very solid. It's a solid high. It's a solid high. The low looks very weak, but the high looks solid. It's gonna be one more time. That's it. That's it. Keep it right there. Again, outside in. Come on, sellers. Step in. Step in. Sometimes you just have to have conviction and stick to your trade. Come on, let's go. Need the delta to fail. Here comes the sellers. Come on, keep going, keep going. Outside in. The hidden order is still waiting all the way down 28. Just afraid of a stop pick, and then it comes crashing down. Give myself 2 more ticks here. 47. Just in case they want to do a stop pick. Little battle going on. Decision point. If it fails, it's going to come crashing down. If it launches, 70 is the target. So if you're looking for longs, this is where you go long. If you're looking for short, we're looking for the mid. Just wish I could have a little more room here on the stop, but I'm already negative, so I don't want to. All right, 1 more tick. No, they're going to launch. All right, I'm done, guys. I'll see you guys in the afternoon. I'm going to take a walk. I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Target is 70.